Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to adjust power management mode for Nvidia GPU. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To adjust the power management mode for your Nvidia GPU, and understand what it's for, follow these steps. What is power management mode? This setting determines how your Nvidia GPU handles power usage, balancing performance and efficiency. Here are the modes. Optimal power reduces power consumption during lighter workloads while maintaining good performance. Ideal for regular tasks and casual gaming. Adaptive dynamically adjusts power usage based on GPU activity. Suitable for mixed-use scenarios where workloads vary. Prefer maximum performance. Ensures the GPU runs at full power at all times. Perfect for demanding applications like gaming, 3D rendering, or video editing, but can lead to higher power consumption and heat. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel. In the NVIDIA Control Panel, click on Manage 3D Settings in the left-hand menu. Scroll down the settings list to locate Power Management Mode. Select your preferred option, Optimal Power, Adaptive, or prefer Maximum Performance. Click Apply at the bottom of the window to save the setting. This feature is especially helpful for optimizing GPU performance based on your current needs. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.